Use a pry bar to pry up the car's headliner through the roof panel and conceal the power cable. Route the power cable to the right along the A-pillar. Then continue tucking it down until it lies in front of the front passenger's floor mat. Hide the power cable beneath the floor mat and connect the car charger to the vehicle. Connect the rear camera power cable to the recorder host and hide it in the same way as the hardwire kick cable. After hiding in the A-pillar, the cable is hidden along the top gap to the B-pillar. Then, go to the C-pillar in the same way. After hiding in the C-pillar, the top extends to the rear windshield. Install the rear camera. Finally, connect the power cable.